What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Coding with Phat, and welcome to the grand finale of our Python series. We've traveled from basic variables to the complex world of object-oriented programming. But there's one last thing you need to master before you can call yourself a Python developer: environment management. Have you ever tried to run a project and received a ModuleNotFoundError? Or maybe you updated a library for one project and it accidentally broke another one? Today, we solve that forever. We're talking about pip, your gateway to millions of libraries, and venv, the secret to keeping your projects clean and isolated. Let's cross the finish line together. Think of pip as the App Store for Python. Python is famous for its massive ecosystem, and pip is the tool that lets you download and install libraries created by developers around the world. So, how do you use pip? When you install Python, pip usually comes pre-installed. You use it directly in your terminal or command prompt. The command is simple: type pip install followed by the name of the library. You can find libraries for almost anything from data science with pandas, to web development with Flask, or image processing with Pillow. Most of your searches will lead you to pypi.org. This is the official third-party software repository for Python, housing hundreds of thousands of libraries. When you run a pip install command, Python is actually reaching out to pypi to fetch those files for you. As I'm doing here, I will install Pygame in the requests library by typing pip install Pygame requests. Yes, you can install multiple libraries in a single line. If you need a specific version, just add two equal signs, like a comparison in Python logic, followed by the version number. For example, pip install requests equals 2.28.1. Once the installation is done, you can view all your installed libraries using pip list. But what if the list is too long and you're looking for something specific? You can use the command pip show followed by the library name. If it's installed, it will display all the metadata, including the version and location. If it's not there, you'll see a warning. Another great way to check is using pip index versions with the library name. This checks pypi and prints all available versions online, along with what's installed on your machine. This helps you see if your current version has fallen behind the latest release. But wait, installing libraries is just half the battle. What if you want to update them or remove them? To update a library to the latest version, use pip install u with the library name. And if you want to remove a library entirely, just type pip uninstall with that library name. In the next part, I'll show you how to save all these library names into a single text file so others can set up your project in seconds. Moving on to the next part, we have the virtual environment, venv, in Python. This is a dedicated space for your project where you can install all the libraries you need inside a specific folder. The libraries you install here will not affect your global machine environment. And if you don't need it anymore, then just remove it by delete the folder. You can create it in the terminal or command prompt using the command python mvenv for current directory. Here, M stands for module. It tells Python to run the venv module as a script, ensuring you use the correct Python version for your project. The second venv in command is the name of the folder. You can change this to anything you want, but venv is the standard convention. If you want to create it in another directory, you can specify the path, python mvenv path / your / folder. However, just creating the folder is not enough. You must activate it before use. On Windows, run venv /script /activate. If you see venv appear before your current directory in the terminal, it has been activated successfully. On Linux or macOS, use source venv /bin /activate. Now we can reinstall our libraries inside this environment. Working on multiple projects within the same global environment can become a nightmare, so always remember to activate your venv first. When you're ready to share your project with other developers, use this command. Python mpip freeze requirements.txt. This exports all currently installed libraries and their exact versions into a text file. While you can name this file anything, using requirements.txt is the industry standard for readability. If you receive a project that already has this file, you can install everything at once using Python mpip install or requirements.txt. The R flag stands for requirements, telling pip to read and install every library listed in that file automatically. Besides M and R, pip provides many other options. Upgrade, where you upgrades a package to the latest version. Force reinstall, reinstalls a package even if it's already there. No cache DR, installs without using old cache data, useful for fixing broken installations. User, installs packages only for the current user. Because I am currently inside visual environment so it doesn't work here. Q, quiet, venv, verbose controls how much information the terminal shows you during installation. Finally, when you're finished working in your environment, simply type deactivate to return to your normal system settings. That's it. You now have the fundamental tools to manage professional Python projects. Thank you for sticking with me through this 10-episode journey. If this series helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Coding with Phat. Stay tuned for what's coming next on the channel. If this series helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Coding with Phat. Stay tuned for what's coming next on the channel. Mission complete. Happy coding!